Did you know that you can become a real estate investor overnight without spending a single dime on a down payment? Welcome back to Shop Your Mortgage and VA Mortgage Specialist, where we turn your service benefits into long-term wealth. Most people assume the VA loan is strictly for buying a standard single-family house, but one of the best-kept secrets in real estate is that you can use your VA benefit to purchase a multifamily property, up to 4 units, with absolutely zero money down. This strategy, often called house hacking, allows you to live in one unit while renting out the others, effectively letting your tenants pay your mortgage for you. Imagine living completely mortgage-free while building equity in an asset that generates monthly cash flow. We are here to help veterans and active service members navigate the specific requirements for these investment-style loans, including how to use potential rental income to help you qualify. Don't just buy a home. Buy your financial freedom. Visit vamortgagespecialist.com today to see if you qualify for a multi-unit purchase and subscribe for more experts advice on maximizing your military benefits.